Hello everyone, welcome back to Hillside Forge. So, on today's episode, I am going to be building a coal forge. Now, I made one a couple of years ago that was kind of rough, but I found some parts at the junkyard as well as a steel surplus store. So I picked up this cart. It's a table, actually, it's not a cart, but it's about 3 foot tall. And I paid 15 bucks for it. And I got a brake drum from my truck, so I had to get my brakes redone. Tons of fun for that. And some other pieces of scrap steel I had laying around. So the only thing I think that would be difficult for somebody to make what we're about to do is you need access to a welder. But I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to make a coal forge. And I've only done this once before, so we're going to learn as we go. We're probably going to make some mistakes, but let's get to it. Okay, so this is the table we're working with. It's about 3 foot tall. It's got a shelf at about 1.5 feet up, which I'm going to utilize that shelf. But I'm going to put the coal pot on this side, charcoal pot, fire pot, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to put it on this side so I can fabricate a chimney and then also leave that side cooler for tongs, tools, so on and so forth. But now that we have this established, the hard part is actually going to be the brake drum. So we have the brake drum, which has a massive hole in it. And I'm not going to put an airflow pipe that's that big. However, I did find this at the steel store. It's the scrapyard. But anyway, that's closer to the diameter I'm going to use. Actually, for the pipe, I'm going to use an old exhaust. So that'd be fun too. Yay, yay, yay. But to fill up these holes and this hole, I'm going to use this piece of steel plate here. I'm going to trace that around, cut it out, and then also trace my pipe size to that. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Actually, I might not even use that. I might just use this. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So for our clinker breaker, I took a piece of 1-inch square tubing and drilled a hole through it with a 5/16 steel rod and then bent the handle so we have a handle for it, and then I welded it all in place. So obviously we can't have a blacksmithing video without some blacksmithing, so here I start forging out the handle for my clinker catch.
What's up, guys? Brad started a build. I'm here to help him out, finish it, maybe today. We're working on chimney. I believe. So he asked me to get the dimensions. He wanted to cut it in half, then we're gonna cut it in thirds. So half we got 18 3/4, cutting it in half to about 9.5, which is good because that's the size of our pipe that we're using. We're gonna go up 2 feet. Well, let's say this. We're gonna score these ones, our lines right here. We're gonna bend them. We're gonna go up 2 feet 6 inches from our score lines. Cut, 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 cut. And then we went up another foot 6 inches. That's gonna be our chimney part that wraps around. Hopefully, it looks like it's gonna fit. But hopefully we can make it work. And that's where we're at right now. I think Brad's on the cutting.
Sadly. All right. You're right, but this doesn't need to bend more than this needs to bend. So it's
Okay. I got you.
work as best we can. All right.
You recording?
Yep. Changing the way I can't bend much further. Okay, you're on.
Alright. You don't want to line it up? Oh yeah, don't trust.
It's okay. I'm trust myself.
Careful.
Okay, so stand it up on the anvil here. Yeah, we can try that one. We can
This
try
one?
that one. Yeah. The chains are probably gonna give us the same issue.
Yeah, but they're a little closer, so.
Yeah, it's not giving us much room. What?
Stand it up on the anvil?
Yeah.
Like this, or you want tabs down?
They are tabs down?
Alright. Alright. Okay. Okay. How much further you gotta go?
Like an inch or so. Okay, hold it back like you did. I'm gonna grab your arm.
Go ahead.
So romantic.
Whoa! God said, knock it off.
Pray the game away!
And then you. Hey, I'm right there.
Okay, now I'll need to cut the lips off on these to slide on and fit on there.
Okay.
But then you already marked that, right?
I don't know.
Your fingers are in the way. See if we can still see everything we're doing here. Hey, Papilo. Okay. So, pick your one hand up so I can at least see. Okay. I gotta go in there. Oh!
Oh! Good. Bend it. Wiggle me. Oh, okay.
I forgot we'll do height on the bend.
That's what I was thinking. You didn't believe me. That's okay. Oh my goodness.
Come on, Kurt!
I was trying to look too.
Quit using your eyes!
Alright. You good? No, we're still bending.
Still bending.
Still bending. Good?
Yep, that gave the way I wanted it to.
That's cool. Alright. Watch my fingies.
Yep.
Yep.
Step one on how to get tetanus.
That's what I was thinking. Well, that look good.
Yeah, so you can hold them up and tack them in place.
And then just those.
And then,
That look good.
yeah, once they're tacked in place, those in the front.
Oh yeah.
Like a beaut.
He knows what he's doing, guys.
I'm special. Here I'm using furnace cement to seal off the bottom so there's no extra airflow escaping from the pipe. So I just covered the whole bottom in this and smoothed it all out so it looked nice and hopefully minimizes any air leakage. All right, guys. So thank you for tuning in and watching us build this coal forge. It's been a fun project, been a few days in the making, but everything here only cost us about $25 from the scrapyard. So everything we got was either from the scrapyard or the junk pile at the mechanics. The only thing you might need to buy is the welder, but there are ways to make this without a welder at all. You can just bolt stuff together and screw stuff together. I don't like doing that, so we didn't do that. However, this is pretty awesome. We're looking forward to using it in new projects. If you have any questions, thoughts, concerns, please let us know. We are not the best welders. We are not the best fabricators. We are regular Joes just trying to do our best, but we hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate it. And we'll see you guys in the next video where we do the giveaway video. Well, kinda. So in the next video, Curtis is going to make a knife, and then if you are subscribed and you comment on that video, that's how you get entered in to win the free knife. So we look forward to seeing you guys next time. Have a great day, and God bless.